I have been working in Plansee more than 20 years. We are always contacting cutting edge in each industry as a global leader. Every single day, our surroundings make us fun with many variety topics where we can challenge. We think your career development at most important. We are sure living in Japan will be trigger for your further career development. We set up new integration of organization, and also we prepare to set up many opportunities to have close communication with our employees, families, and stakeholders with many fun topics.
Settle in, networking, adapting our new environment culture, integration.
I think you do feel as though you've grown significantly. You will hardly find a warmer culture. Products that are being made in Japan are in almost every device that you have or that you use. They're some of the most interesting projects I've ever worked on. Everything is very organized. Communications are made very thoughtfully. All of the opinions are really considered. There's a group togetherness feeling. I can hardly think of a place that's more interesting to live. Maybe I'm biased, but I don't think there's a better job open in the group right now.
Join
Our success
story
become
a part
of Plansee.
Join us!